Midweek. Well, almost midweek. Monday night, I was actually able to make it back home and spend the night. Tonight, I have to leave out first thing in the morning on Tuesday, tomorrow morning. And so I figured I'd come out here and start sorting out some boxes. I went ahead and fixed up a bunch of this stuff, moved a bunch of stuff around up in the loft. Hang on, there's... There. So, oh yeah. That's what I'm doing right now, is I sorted out some stuff up there. I'm sorting out some things in here to make this more of a workable space. We got the bikes over here. I moved the bikes over to there. I was able to get a lot of this cleaned out over on that side, like I said before. So that's all working. I got to go through this box and this box that I'm currently working on. And what I'm doing is I'm making another box that will end up going up top. So yeah, I'm trying to get some stuff done. We've got plans to work on the Ranger this coming weekend. We're not going anywhere. We're not really doing anything. That's the plan. I don't know exactly what we're going to do, so I really can't say. Maybe get it straightened out a little bit more. Maybe do some of the interior. But yeah, that's what we got going on for this coming weekend. My wife will be off. I'm not exactly sure what day I'm going to get off. I'm trying to spend less money on food for the week. So I went ahead and I bought a small hibachi grill, just a little grill with a some charcoal and lighter fluid, and I bought some meats and stuff like that so that I can start eating healthy again, fruits and whatnot. I've lost myself, and I need to find myself again, get back on track. And my wife pointed out something to me. She said, "You've been really just blah, like not doing nothing, just kind of moping around." And she's right. I mean, to you guys see me like this all the time. I'm like, "Hey, I'm right here, nah. And I might seem depressed, but it's even more so. And I feel like I'm in a hole where we are right now. To be honest with you guys, it does kind of suck being back in an RV park, trailer park. I didn't think that I was going to go back there. So it'll get better. I've got high hopes. We got to make this work and push forward and get out of the hole that I'm in. Because it seems like every weekend that I come home, I don't do anything. I just sit around and watch TV unless we go out and do something. And that's the other thing, is about the going out. The going out, we're spending a bunch of money, and then we don't have nothing left, and we're not putting any money away. So that's another thing we have to change. We have to make the transition from living good and having a good time to, we need to batten down the hatches, check our priorities, and do what we need to do. So that's the plan for here on out. And this coming weekend, we'll see what happens. If anything else happens between now and Wednesday, of course, I'll talk a little bit more, and I'll get back with you guys. But look, my wire's hung up. Yeah. I almost totally spaced even doing the video, trying to finish this out. It's midweek now, Wednesday. It's 10 o'clock at night, so this video is going to go up just as quick as I get this done right now. I stopped up here. I'm on my way back to the house. I might have one more load out and back. Hopefully I might end up having Friday and Saturday off. It may only be Saturday, so I still have yet to find out. I have no idea what load I'm going to have to take back out, or if I'm going to have to take a load. If I don't have to, then I'll be off Friday and Saturday. We're going to straighten up some more stuff. I got a cover for the golf cart, so the golf cart can come home. I can get that out of storage. Everything that's in storage will be easier to get to once I can get that golf cart out of there, because it's plugging that big hole right in the front. This way I can move everything around and be able to get to all of the boxes. Now that the mini shop has been reorganized up on the in the loft, now I can bring several more boxes home that I can put up there and line them up. That way I can get to stuff and get stuff done on the Ranger. Sorry, I didn't prepare for this this part of the video. I was sitting here talking to my wife, and all of a sudden I was like, oh crap, I got to put this video up. So that's what's going on this weekend. We're going to try to get the golf cart moved over, try to get something done on the Ranger, even if it is just straightening it out more and getting it prepped and ready. But I have to find the wiring. I have to find link ends. I have to find the gas tank. I mean, I kind of know where all this stuff is, but I have to go through the boxes to get that stuff so we can start working on the Ranger. It's starting to get to us. My wife's, I'm like, we need to work on the Ranger. She goes, well, let's do that this weekend. So, still got to get that 220 plugged up. I did finish up before I left the shop. This last time home, I got the compressor hooked up. So the compressor's ready to go. All I got to do is make a plug for it, or I can plug it into any of the plugs that are in there. I do have a dedicated plug line that would be just for the compressor, so then that way it's not tying into everything else. So I got that going, and I've already got the air line hooked up and all that's ready. So that's just recapping real quick, really short midweek video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, follow me, Earthscraper69. Just search for that. You'll find me all over the internet. Well, not really all over. Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. And we'll talk to you guys on the next video. We'll see you guys this weekend.